Hey guys, this is Nick again with Nick's Friction Zone with yet another motorcycle crash to review. This time it was on a freeway and the motorcyclist crashed on a freeway guardrail and unfortunately he fell over the ramp. Check it out. Okay, so first of all, I would like to happily report that uh, the motorcyclist seemingly survived the crash. So that's really good news. Second, I'm really sorry about the quality of the video. It was really grainy, but I just felt that I needed to share this video for a couple of reasons. I spent a couple of weeks trying to digest through the video and figure out what might have gone wrong, and some of it is conjecture because we can't really talk to the motorcyclist and figure out what was in his mind when that occurred. So, but a couple of facts. First of all, it was a freeway ramp. Okay, it was a two-lane freeway ramp. The motorcyclist was on the left lane, and the truck or auto vehicle was on the right lane. Okay, there's a chance that the two lanes were merging into one, or similarly, that's what the motorcyclist was thinking. Okay, so here's the main thing that I wanted to mention about this motorcycle crash. Take a look at the ramp itself. Do you see how the ramp was sloping downwards and it wasn't a straight ramp or an up ramp? I think that's what got the guy in trouble. Okay, so as a motorcyclist, just think about it. If you are on the twisties on a mountain, okay, or if you are on a freeway off ramp and if you're going down, think about how much more difficult it is for you to negotiate the curve, because when you're going down, your body is naturally pulling forward, right? Gravity is forcing you to go straight down, but you need to fight gravity a little bit and make an extra effort to lean towards the direction of where the curve is. I think that's what got the guy in trouble, to be honest. All right, so here it is. That's my review. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really interested to see what the motorcycle community has to say about this. Yeah, let me know. By the way, guys, if you like this content, I would appreciate it so much if you would hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Okay, that's all I have for today. Take care. Bye.